we will see some misconception related to the addition of rational numbers. Misconception 1. The teacher asked the children the additive inverse of 7 by 8. To this, Tara replied 8 by 7, Sameer replied 0, and Shreya replied minus 7 by 8. Can you tell which of these is correct? Some children do not have the correct understanding of additive inverse. They understand that the inverse of a rational number is obtained by replacing the numerator and denominator of that number with each other. As Tara had stated, the additive inverse of 7 by 8 is 8 by 7. But this is a wrong understanding. So Tara's answer is wrong. That is, option 1 is the wrong answer. Similarly, some children memorize the explanation of additive inverse and they do not understand its meaning. Due to the use of 0 in the interpretation, children often assume that 0 is an additive inverse of any number. But this is also not a correct understanding. So option 2 is also the wrong answer. If the sum of any two rational numbers is 0, then they are called additive inverse of each other. Or we can also say that if two rational numbers are equally spaced in opposite directions from 0, then they are additive inverse of each other. Since we get 0 when we add minus 7 by 8 to 7 by 8, the additive inverse of 7 by 8 is minus 7 by 8. Hence, option 3 is the correct answer. Misconception 2. Find minus 3 by 5 plus minus 1 by 5. Some children make simple mistakes while adding rational numbers. Like some children ignore the signs and jump to 4 by 5. In the same way, they also have the misconception that negative and negative is positive, that is, the sum of two negative rational numbers will be positive. This is also a reason that they give wrong answer to option 1. The correct understanding here is that it is necessary to take care of the signs of numbers while doing addition. Note that the sum of two positive rational numbers is positive, the sum of two negative rational numbers is negative. If there is a positive and a negative rational number, then the sum takes the sign of the rational number whose value without the symbol is larger. Here both are negative rational numbers, so the sum will be negative. Therefore, the sum minus 4 by 5 will be obtained here, that is option 2 is the correct answer. Some children get fraction of the result minus 3 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 4 by adding fractions while doing addition. Similarly, by adding denominators, we get 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 as the result. In this way, they get the result minus 4 by 10. This is also a misunderstanding, whereby option 3 gives this incorrect answer. This false belief arises due to lack of proper understanding of part and whole. Let's get a better understanding of this here. We have 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. If we put them together, we will get 3 by 4 and not 3 by 8. So now your misconceptions related to rational numbers must have been removed. Today we saw some misconceptions related to the sum of rational numbers.